our stainless steel table. First off, the overall dimensions. From left to right, we have a length of 24 inches, a depth of also 24 inches, and the overall height standing at 34.5 inches tall. Measurement for the table beneath will include 17.25 inches in length by 16 inches in depth. Height between the bottom shelf towards the top of the table will include 20 inches. NSF certification sticker, and the protective layer can be peeled off that's protecting the stainless steel finish. Our tables will hold and support the weight of the equipment that we sell through Cooler Depot, such as griddles, burners, broilers, and much more. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product. Thank you.